Why do we hiccup? Explained by ducks. Quack. Ever just swim along peacefully? Then hic? A random noise pops out of your beak. That's a hiccup. It happens when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps ducks breathe, gets a little twitchy. Maybe you made bread too fast, drank pond water too quickly, or even got excited. The twitch slams your lungs shut for a split second, and out comes the hic. Annoying? Yes. Dangerous? Usually not. It's just your body doing an accidental quack remix. Quack lesson. Sometimes the pond hiccups too. It's just nature's funny little glitch.